So we're doing another quick little alignment adjustment on the Pontiac. The wheel's completely straight, and well, this one's curved a little bit because I just lifted the car, but with the wheel completely straight, this one's completely straight, and this one was like a little bit inward, so we're gonna do like a screw and a half outwards, and it should be pretty straight, so the alignment will be about as good as it needs to be, because like I said, it's mostly gets trailered everywhere. And it's dirty again. I'm not gonna bother washing the outside right now, just because I know it's gonna get dirty again tonight, tomorrow, whatever. But I am gonna clean the inside, because I have not actually cleaned the inside yet since I've taken it out of storage, and it's kind of nasty. Honestly forgot that I had rear seats in this thing too. Those are probably gonna come out very soon. Don't need those in the back. But it needs a good vacuum and a good quick detail, I guess you could say, but pretty dirty in there. So quick alignment adjustment, quick clean inside, and then I am switching these over because they're starting to get a little thin, so it's not really worth taking it out again on those tires. And I am getting ready to trailer the car in about 2 weeks up north. I think I already mentioned that. But I'm gonna put a new set on it, so when I go up there, it's already got a fresh set on it, and then I'm gonna bring probably another set. So I have 4 tires all together. Probably only gonna bring one other set. I don't think I'm gonna go with 2 sets plus the ones on it. I think I'm just gonna bring one. But yeah, new tires and fresh alignment and a fresh clean. This thing's gonna be badass. I am so excited to make videos with this thing. Gave it a quick little vacuum and a quick wipe down, so it's 10 times better. And then I also took out the rear seats because, well, I don't want those in there. A little extra weight is gone, and I don't like having 4 seats in it because then a bunch of people want rides at the same time, and it's already ridiculous how many people try to freaking get rides out of me in this thing. So 1 passenger seat is all I want. Plus the car doesn't really perform the same if you've got 4 people in it. You know, if you got 4 full-size people in the car, you know, with me, I'm like 180 pounds, plus like another 150 if you're talking like regular people that aren't a little heavier. I mean, you're looking at like an extra, what is that, 450 pounds with 3 other people in the car, and it's quite noticeable when you're driving. People are like, oh, it doesn't do the same thing as when you're driving by yourself. Like, why aren't you trying as hard? And it's like, trust me, the car just doesn't want to do it. There's too much weight. So 2 seats is good. That's all we need. And I'm going to try to switch these tires over now. These ones on the right side are pretty chopped too. So I have these really ugly wheels, but they've got tires on them, and they're 5-lug, and I think they're GM 5-lug. So I'm actually going to see if they'll fit on that. Obviously, they're not pretty, but you're not going to notice them. They're in a cloud of smoke, and I would bring these as backups. So say I pop those, I want to put some new ones on, I can just switch them right over to that, and I don't have to spend any time actually dismounting the tire. Well, I tried these ones, and they're actually pretty small looking.
What the hell is even that?
But yeah, they don't fit. And it looks really weird with that white stripe. So yeah, lug pattern's just not the same. I don't know what it came off of. It's too tight though, it's not gonna work. But it's not a big deal. I can still use these tires, and in fact, when I take this rubber off this and I put it on my rims, I can flip it inside out so this white wall's on the inside, so it doesn't look as weird. But yeah, still a good burner tire, but the rims will not fit. So there's the old one. Now I get the new one on. I love how little it looks. I mean, anything looks pretty little to, like, I think it's a 17 on the front, so it looks pretty tiny, whatever. Just to melt off. But one's done. Now I'm gonna do this one. So ironically, those ones are pretty small, and then there's two in the trunk now for when I trailer the car up, and they're actually a little bit bigger than these ones. So once those ones are melted off, it's gonna be going up like 2 sizes.